Today we are making a 48-piece gun with a rubic snake. First, twist the knob so it looks like a big foot.
Done.
Then count 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Twist it downwards and do it 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Twist it like this, so it looks like this. And to finish making the magazine, twist it like this and like this. So now you have a magazine. Then count 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Over here, twist it to make the handle. Count 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then twist it. It will look like a magazine, but it won't be. Count 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And then twist it like this. Then twist this part to overlap this part of the gun. Lift it upwards and twist it. And now you have a 48-piece gun.